Imagine a world where a simple match could save a life. This is the challenge we face with blood cancer patients in Pakistan. While international organizations don't operate here directly, a life-saving gap exists. We've developed a groundbreaking, tech-driven solution to bridge it. Did you know that a grim statistic shows 70% of blood cancer patients in Pakistan lose their lives simply because they cannot find a matching bone marrow donor in time? We are bridging this gap with a revolutionary, tech-driven solution designed specifically for Pakistan. Let's first look at the problem with our current system. Our current system is highly fragmented. There is no centralized registry, making the search for a donor a chaotic process. Searching for a donor takes months, precious time that many patients simply do not have. International registries are prohibitively expensive, costing millions, which remains out of reach for most Pakistani families. Our doctors are overwhelmed, and families are left with virtually no local path forward for finding a matching donor. This is why we are introducing the groundbreaking Digital National Bone Marrow Registry. This AI-powered platform is designed to revolutionize donor matching and save lives. Crucially, the platform ensures 100% data privacy and security through cutting-edge blockchain technology. We integrate home-based swab collection kits and seamless courier logistics for ease of access for donors across the nation. With smart matching algorithms, we can connect donors with patients in a matter of minutes, drastically reducing the agonizing waiting time of months. This platform is more than just technology. It's about transforming healthcare and bringing hope. We are ushering in a new era of healthcare in Pakistan, leveraging technology to make a difference where it matters most. With this platform, we aren't just organizing data, we are directly saving lives. Join us in this mission today and become the hope that someone is desperately waiting for.